Unraveling Patterns, a journey into organizing ideas. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey through the fascinating world of patterns of organization. They are like the invisible threads that weave together our thoughts, ideas, and information when we read or write. Understanding these patterns can dramatically enhance your reading comprehension skills, helping you identify main ideas and their supporting details. Patterns of organization are the various ways authors arrange their ideas and information in a text. These patterns help to structure the information, making it easier for readers to understand and remember. Just like how we organize our closet by color or type of clothing, authors organize their ideas to make their writing clear and effective. These patterns can include chronological order, cause and effect, compare and contrast, problem and solution, among others. Why should we bother recognizing these patterns? The answer is simple. These patterns act as a roadmap to navigate through a text. They guide you to the key points, highlighting how ideas are related and the progression of thoughts. With the ability to recognize these patterns, you can efficiently understand the main ideas, grasp supporting details, and predict what might come next. They also come in handy in your writing, helping you present your thoughts in a logical, coherent way. Now that we know the what and why, let's delve into the how, identifying different patterns. Each type has its unique traits that set it apart. 1. Chronological order. This pattern organizes details according to the order of time, such as a historical event or a how-to guide. 2. Cause and effect. Here, the author discusses an event, the cause, and its consequences, the effect. 3. Compare and contrast. In this pattern, similarities and differences between two or more entities are discussed. 4. Problem and solution. The author presents a problem and then discusses one or more solutions. These are just some of the common patterns. Many others exist based on the purpose of the text and the author's style. And that wraps up our introduction to patterns of organization. By mastering these, you can enhance your understanding of written material and improve your own writing. Remember, these patterns are like secret codes. Once you crack them, you unlock a deeper understanding of the text. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll soon become adept at recognizing these patterns in any text you encounter. Happy reading!